Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're going to take all of these yarn colors and turn them into Cookie from Animal Crossing. Let's make a rug together. I'm not gonna lie, this was all filmed back in December, early December before Christmas, and I made Cookie as a Christmas present for somebody that I love very much, who really likes Cookie. There have been a ton of changes in my life and with my little small shop since December, and it is now August of the following year. I do have a lot of footage and videos to edit together and really catch up on a lot of things, but I am going to be discussing all of that in a video coming after this one. But for now, we're just going to enjoy the process of making this rug, which I start as usual with a rug guide. Cookie has some dark purple around her eyes as an outline and dark purple eyebrows. We will need black for the eyes themselves. We're going to need a really hot pink or a very bright and vibrant pink for her ears. The marker color doesn't quite represent it here, but again, it's just a guide. The yarn color will definitely represent it. It's very bright. You'll need a lighter colored pink, almost like a baby pink, to go around her eyes. You only need a little bit of light brown for this little shiny highlight on her nose. We need a dark brown, kind of like a chocolatey brown, for her nose and her smile. And last is the color white for the rest of her face around her nose and smile, and the highlights on her eyeballs. Alright, I'm going to quit yapping so you can enjoy the tufting process. Bye! My phone died at the end there for the last clip, but there's Cookie all tufted. What's next is that we are going to frost this cookie with some glue. Did you get the joke? Frost the cookie. We're just gonna let the glue dry overnight, and then we'll be back in a moment. Hi! I cleaned up that awful mess before continuing on with this rug. We just have to cut all the excess fabric off, get the backing on, finish the edges, shave it up, and carve out the details, and then she's all set. Okay, Cookie is all finished. Thank you for watching. This is her after everything is all done, and I wrapped her up for Christmas for a Christmas gift. I think I'm gonna go make some cookies now. Bye! What kind of cookie? Chocolate chip? Those are my favorite. Should I do sugar cookie? Peanut butter? I'm not a big fan of peanut butter cookies. Peanut butter's fine, but I'd rather have like chocolate or vanilla. What about sugar cookies with pink frosting like Cookie is? She's pink. Oh, what if I made all the cookies and stacked them together like a stack of pancakes and ate them like pancakes? Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Hey, if you stayed through all this silly rambling, here's what Cookie looks like in the bedroom of the person that I gave her to. Thanks for watching. Bye! Cookie recipes. You're still here? Why? The video's over. Well, if you insist on continuing to watch, here's a dramatic cleaning montage. That's better.
Yay!
Okay, for real. Bye. Thanks.